what were the mechanics of rigging in my Chakwal constituency, NA 58. NA 58 is to the south of Islamabad. The one thing done early in the evening was RO ke daftar ko seal kar diya gaya. The RO's office is in the district complex. It was sealed by police and by क्या कहूँ निगरानों के निगरान वो मौजूद थे और उन्होंने वो सारा बंद कर दिया. I had gone to the RO's office at 6 o'clock. They kept cajoling me, persuading me to leave, and I was kicked out at around 7:30, 8 o'clock, which means that the RO and other people were there and they could do what they wanted. Many tha, none of my election agents, no one else. I have all the form, the original form 45s. मेरे हल्के में 456 polling stations. The forms 45 of all these polling stations are present here. I got 1,55,000 votes. The Muslim League candidate also got a large number of votes. According to forms 45, his vote tally was 1,29,000, which is a fairly decent number. But in the declared results, the winner was given 1,15,000 votes. मतलब है उसके actual vote जो थे उससे भी कम उसको दिया. The People's Party was given 74,000 votes out of nowhere. Their actual vote count, the PPP candidates' vote count was 12,000. The Labbaik got 25,000 votes and he was gifted with an additional 25,000 votes, which means 45,000 votes. Now what happened was, and I'll be very brief, I won't take much of your time. When the announcements were stopped on television, as I told you, the compound, the district compound had been sealed off. The presiding officers of the constituency were standing in the courtyard. And they kept standing in the cold until morning. उनसे रिजल्ट लिया ही नहीं गया. उनके हाथों में रिजल्ट्स थे. उनके पास बैग्स थे. किसी ने इतना तकल्लुफ नहीं किया कि बैग्स ले लें, उनसे रिजल्ट्स ले लें. And at 6 o'clock in the morning, while the presiding officers were standing outside in the cold with the results in their hands, the result was declared. I mean, can there be a bigger farce than this? I'll just conclude with this. Thank you.